how to change the battery in a Fiat 500 key in the Key FOB. So this is really simple. All we're going to need to do is we're going to need to have our key. We're going to need a small flat screwdriver, real small like this. If you don't have one, I'll put a link down below to where you can get one for just like $1. And you're going to need the battery that you're going to want to change, which also I'll put a link down below in case you need the battery for this Fiat 500 Key FOB. So it's really simple to change the battery. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open it up. And when we open it up, we're going to see we have this little thing right here. And this is not a screw that we're going to unscrew. So we're not going to turn it counterclockwise like you might expect it to. If you notice, there's a little lock symbol and an unlock symbol. So it's right now it's locked, and we're going to turn it clockwise in order to unlock it. See, I just turned that clockwise. Now this is unlocked. And now I can come in with my screwdriver, kind of get underneath it now that it's unlocked, and pop that open and pry that out. And this whole thing pops out. So from here, we're just going to slide our old battery out, come back in with our new battery, just like this, with our CR2032, slide it back in. And then we're going to pop it back in. But you see there has this little hinge on it. So we can't just put it straight in like this. We need to kind of hook it in like that. So we're going to put this end in there. And then from there, push everything back in. So now everything's back down like that. And then take our screwdriver. And again, we're not screwing this in. We're putting it back in the lock position. So we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Boom. So that's now in the lock position. And you are done. So if this video helped, if you'd leave me a like and subscribe to see more quick tutorials like this on this car and others.